kids in Delhi. We don't have a structured program of this sort anywhere in the country, and especially in North India. And we need that on a much higher level, much broader spectrum. We've spoken to some of the schools, and hopefully we start off with Nikhil and Richa. Number one, I would like to mention the coaches. I think they've been fantastic, and give them a big hand of Nitya, Gautam and Gyanendra have been wonderful, and they've been here every day, and they've been here in the heat, and they've been doing jobs in other places, and they still make the time to come over here. So I think their inputs and their enthusiasm to learn as well has been phenomenal, and that's what's going to take the coaching program to the next level, because they're the people who are going to be here on at every time. My coach Amit is also over here, and he's been, I got him over because I'm training over here.
Yeah, big round of applause for Amit, because, Amit has been great with the kids and they're really picked out with them. Yeah.
And so I'm training with him, and I was like, he wanted to help out as well with the kids, and he's been training under a couple of the top coaches in Canada, and he's come down with all the inputs from there. And so we've basically done an upgrade for all the coaches over here, and they've learned a lot from us, and that's what the kids will be doing even when they're not over here. Dr. B.I. has been phenomenal with his inputs, and he's here all the time. He's running this program in any case pretty much by proxy, and also he's here every afternoon. And I think he's been invaluable to the program, and without him we couldn't have gone anywhere. So for the next step as well, I think even though he's the most busiest person after the president, actually president is not busy. It's very important that we have him on board, and he's running it with the enthusiasm and support that he has. Nikhil has been the hands-on man. He's been here, he's been doing the blogs, he's doing this right now, as you see it. It's all on the internet. He's technically superb. And we need that as well, the admin side. The people from Richa, their support has been great as well. So, it's all been a team effort, and the whole idea has been that when I was a kid, I played a lot of sports, and I've played every sport. I started playing squash when I was 12 years old, and we never had anything structured like this. I went to boarding school, luckily, where it was much more structured over there. But I think our kids in Delhi and North India, they keep